Hi, this is Jim Brown, Florida real estate attorney at New Path Title and James Brown Law, Florida Realtors. Did you know there is a mandatory provision for escrows in the contract if you discover defects in the walkthrough? Hi, I get calls all the time from realtors all over Florida. They want to know what they should do. They're going through the walkthrough and they found the pool pump wasn't working. The pool pump was working on the effective date when the contract was signed. Under line 275 in the contract, the buyer has rights to walkthroughs. They can walk through one or more times. Under line 257 of the contract, the as-is maintenance requirement is spelled out. Under line 42 of the contract, there is a stipulation that if defects are found and the seller has failed to meet their as-is maintenance requirements, they are required to place 125% of the repair costs in escrow. The discussion then becomes how much does it cost to repair and how much is needed to be escrowed. But the point I'm trying to make is there is a provision in the contract that requires the seller place the money in escrow. So again, if you're walking through the property and the pool pump worked on the day of the effective date of the contract, the pool pump was working, which is going to be shown in your inspection, and you're walking through on the walkthrough and you see the pool pump is not working, the seller has no option except to place the deposit, the escrow funds in escrow for the closing. The closing occurs on time, the repairs are made, and then the escrows are broken to pay for those repairs. Any questions? Give me a call, Jim Brown at James Brown Law and New Path Title. Click like and subscribe, where we love helping realtors get to the closing table.